Yeah.
We're gonna read Night Night Dinosaur.
Dino-snore.
Good night, tiny T-Rex. You can feel them. Sleepy Stegosaur, slow to the stop. This spot looks comfy. So down they flop. Together they gaze
You were right.
at the sparkling sky. They can rest here till the sun starts to rise. Good night, sleepy Stegos.
So it's a stegosaurus, and they called it Stegos.
And
That's its nickname.
And this is what it really feels like.
You felt a dinosaur before?
No, cavemen have.
A caveman have?
This is
Okay,
what like they think so it feels like, but if you really feel the real ones, they feel not that wait, we start out. Oh, there's another one. For Granddad, my favorite of all the dinosaurs, north and east. For Izzy and Samuel T.
T and East?
I'm
just kidding. I think they're people's initials.
Yeah.
So they're probably like the kids of whoever wrote the book. Do you want me to read it?
No.
Okay.
Wait, this is gonna be a long thing, Nana. Since I'm going to read it to my mom. Triceratops snuggle. They're ready for bed. Ready for bed. Mom placed a kiss on her little one's head. Among the soft
Leaves, you're right.
Leaves of the jungle. They hug. Bedtime. It is always the best time to Good night.
It says cuddle.
Cuddle.
You like to cuddle.
Yeah, my mama. Good night, Triceratops Rex.
Tired. Triceros.
Hey, it actually looks like the mama's is the nest.
Mm-hmm.
Are they that Brachiosaurus? Is it?
Hold on. My finger. Diplodosaurus.
Diplodosaurus.
Wait. I can't read upside down.
We don't.
Diplodocus. I totally got that wrong. I said it was a saurus.
Saurus is actually good since every T-Rexosaurus is actually
squirrel.
I like too much leaf. Now they are seated among the tall trees. They dines are Dugsley, Carlwood, up on the ground. Dad whispered, "Good night." It's calm all around. Seriously, there's the baby.
Mhm.
This actually feels like a pond right up.
Mhm.
And also, if you feel this, these kind of feel like hippos.
You felt a hippo before?
No, I know.
Okay. Well, maybe when this is all over, we could go to the zoo and see what. I don't think you could pet the hippos, though.
Yes, wait.
I think it's just the giraffes. You get to ride the giraffes and pet their heads.
No, that.
I don't even know if they have
They
hippos.
say if you pet one, it kind of feels like a dog's tongue. It feels like a dog's tongue, like slobbering on you. Velociraptors rest in the cooling night. Are they think of the fun they have had everywhere. All through the day, they then becking,
Get your hands out of your mouth. Thank you.
bounding about when nightfall arrives. They are all tuckered out. Good night, resting raptors. And that's if you can't find on the
It's the feet, I think.
yeah.
Oh, nope, it's right here.
Yeah.
I thought it was the feet. Silly me,
Yeah.
it gets groaned.
Yeah, it's actually better hiding. It's right here.
It is hiding.
I actually when I saw that, I feel that, and I think I know what it is. Oh, you can't see it. High up in the trees. High up in the trees with the world spread. Below the leaves rest gently, the sky all aglow.
Okay.
Stop laughing.
I'm not laughing.
Yes, you are.
I'm not laughing.
Yes, you did.
I'm not laughing. I'm nodding because I'm waiting for you to get the word out.
They're tiny. What does this say?
I can't see.
The one with the P.
I think it's supposed to be a pterosaurus. Pterosaurus, yeah. Like a pterodactyl. It's a pterosaurus.
Pterosaurus.
You're a monkey. You're holding your butt with your foot.
Pterosaurus had, and he had two their beds under mom's wings. They are small sleepers. Good night, tiny
Pteros.
Characters.
The P is silent.
Oh, this actually feels very soft. Feel it. It feels very soft.
It is. This is going to be the longest recording ever, Noah.
And there's the spot right here.
Yeah.
Two Brachiosaurus had a long day. It won't be long now. till dad snuggles away. Mom curls up cozy and warm in a ball. Soon you'll hear Dad snore loudest of all. It's just like our dad. He
Snores.
Oh, this actually feels very good.
Okay.
It feels like spines.
Oh, okay.
Oh, now we got. If you wondering what, damn. If you wonder what these are I think so crocodiles.
They look like crocodiles.
Yeah, these are crocodiles, and crocodiles still live, right?
Yeah, but I don't know if those are crocodiles. It might be from the same type of animal that crocodiles come from.
Well,
It says, I can't read what it says.
Spinosaurus.
Spinosaurus. Yeah.
So,
That must look like a lizard to me.
well, this
Like a
is
funky lizard.
well, this is actually it actually is that, but I probably they changed the name since they thought it'll be weird.
Maybe, but there's a lot of animals that existed when the dinosaurs were around that exist today or look similar.
A chicken is actually a dinosaur.
No, I don't know where the chickens came from.
Well, actually, it came from Xander, but actually, alligators are dinosaurs.
Snakes,
Snakes, yeah.
turtles.
Turtles. What about sharks?
Probably.
Oh,
They lived in the ocean. The ocean's always been here.
yeah.
We don't know what all is.
Actually, sharks still live, but now they died.
No, they're still sharks.
No, sharks die. Wait, no, sharks don't die since since all the animals are afraid, but they die since like one of them are old.
No, it's 12 minutes and this story is like 10 pages.
3 Spinosaurus snuggle. They're ready to sleep, huddled together. A small, happy head held down on the dark by the river. They sprawl in a line from the big rat down to the small. Good night, snuggles, Spinos. It actually feels very weird. Actually went down this slide, but they actually rolled.
Oh, okay.
What? Wait. Oh. Where is it?
Is this in?
Where is it?
Oh, right here.
I already know.
Okay.
Tricky. Oh, I don't know what this is.
It says Elasmosaurus.
Elasmosaurus. There's actually 2 dinosaurs that live in the water.
Mm-hmm.
This one and the one which is like a crocodile, but has like fins.
Yeah. Did you see the shark one at the museum we went to?
The shark one?
Yeah. And the turtle. Remember we went to the museum?
Yes, I remember.
And that was the section that was talking about dinosaurs, remember?
Unless makes no noise, not even a bed. The slow rocking ride let him ready for sleep. Grandpa hums Softy, will be Tommy Aspas of the bass death in the glow of the moon. Good night,
Sweet.
Alasmos. On to
The last page. Thank goodness.
and also this one doesn't have any feeling part.
You see?
This one doesn't have any feeling part, Mama.
Okay.
Wait, no, it's actually the meter's feeling part.
Oh, cool.
The dinos are sleeping. The day's work is done. A chores of snoring at last has begun. Hit up above the stars.
Up.
Twinkle so bright. They could just put twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Yeah.
Good night, dreaming dinos. We all say good night.
The end.
The feeling part is a meter.